Hello, kids! Welcome, little English learners. Today we will learn a story of a cute panda, who later named as Kungfu Panda. Many years ago in China, there was a clumsy panda bear named Pa. Pa lived in a peaceful valley with his father Ping. Ping was a goose. He was the only panda in the village and all the animals were his friends. Ping was owner of a noodles restaurant. Pa and Ping were so happily worked on their noodles business. Pa loved to eat and sleep, but most of all he loved Kung Fu. Pa dreamed of becoming a Kung Fu master like the Furious Five. Every day he would sneak out of his house at night to practice Kung Fu moves. But Pa was very clumsy. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't do any of the moves correctly. Sometimes he would fall down and hurt himself. Other times he would just get stuck doing something stupid. One day, Pa was practicing his crane kick. But instead of kicking the log, he kicked the rock and the rock flew right into his face. "Oh-wee," cried Pa. Just then, Master Shifu walked by and saw Pa with the rock stuck on his foot. "Are you all right?" asked Master Shifu. "I'm fine," said Pa. Master Shifu saw that Pa was trying to learn Kung Fu. So he decided to help him. "Why don't you come and train with me at the Jade Palace?" asked Master Shifu. Pa was so happy. "Really? You want me to be your student?" "Yes," said Master Shifu. "But you have to promise to try your best." Pa promised and followed Master Shifu to the Jade Palace. At the Jade Palace, Pa met Tigress, Crane, Viper, Mantis, and Monkey. They were the Furious Five. "Welcome to the Furious Five," said Master Shifu. "We are honored to have you here." The Furious Five bowed to Pa, but Pa felt uncomfortable. He didn't know what to do. Do I need to take off my shirt now?" asked Pa, confused. No, it's just a figure of respect," explained Crane. "Oh, okay." Master Shifu began training the Furious Five. He taught them how to fight and defend themselves. But when it was time to rest, Pa stayed behind and practiced his Kung Fu moves. The Furious Five walked by and saw Pa training. "Hey, why are you still here?" asked Tigress. "We're taking a break." "Oh, I'm sorry," said Pa. "I just want to be the best Kung Fu master I can be." The Furious Five laughed at him. "You'll never be a good fighter, Pa," said Monkey. "You're too slow, too clumsy, and not brave enough," said Tigress. Pa felt sad. He wanted to be a good fighter, but he just wasn't very talented. Every day, the Furious Five made fun of Pa. They thought he was stupid. Because of this, Pa started to feel bad about himself. One day, Pa was training with Master Shifu. "You must have confidence in yourself, Pa," said Master Shifu. "If you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything." Pa was upset, and he still didn't feel confident. Just then, Tai Lung attacked the Jade Palace. Tai Lung was a snow leopard. He had once been a student at the Jade Palace, but he had become evil. Tai Lung was strong and fast. He easily defeated the Furious Five. "Shifu, help!" cried the Furious Five. They were scared. Master Shifu knew he had to do something. "Pa, I need your help," said Master Shifu. "What? Me?" "Yes, you are our only hope," said Master Shifu. Pa was scared, but he knew he had to be brave. "All right, Master, where's this guy?" Pa and Master Shifu walked into the courtyard. Tai Lung was standing on top of a rock. "Tai Lung, why are you attacking the Jade Palace?" said Pa. "Because I want to steal the Dragon Scroll," said Tai Lung. The Dragon Scroll is a magical scroll that gives amazing powers. "Pa, you have to stop him," said Master Shifu. "I will, Master," said Pa. Pa took a deep breath and walked towards Tai Lung. Hey, Tai Lung, right? I'm here to stop you. Tai Lung laughed at him. You can't beat me. I'm too strong, too fast and too mean, said Tai Lung. Pa felt scared, but then he remembered what Master Shifu had told him. You must have confidence in yourself. So Pa took another deep breath and stood up tall. Well, maybe I'm not strong or fast, but I am pretty smart. And I think I can outsmart you. Pa thought. Pa started making funny faces and Tai Lung couldn't help but laugh. When Tai Lung was laughing, Pa ran over and poked him in the eye. Said Tai Lung. Pa ran away and Tai Lung chased after him. They ran around the courtyard. Tai Lung was fast, but Pa was faster. Eventually, Pa led Tai Lung into the palace. This is it, thought Pa. The end of the hallway was blocked by a wall of water. There was no way out. Tai Lung had nowhere to go. Pa walked up to Tai Lung and said, "It's over, Tai Lung. Give up now." Tai Lung was furious. He took a deep breath and rushed forward at Pa. But before he could attack, Pa jumped over him and landed on his back. Pa put his paws on Tai Lung's eyes and pushed. "Stop!" cried Tai Lung. Pa jumped off Tai Lung and turned around. "What?" "You said stop," said Pa. Tai Lung was speechless. Pa had won. All the animals cheered for Pa. They were so happy that he had saved the Jade Palace. Master Shifu was proud of Pa. "You did it, Pa. You defeated Tai Lung." "Thank you, Master Shifu," said Pa. Master Shifu said, "You have to train more and improve your skills, Pa. Without good skills, you cannot be the dragon warrior." After defeating Tai Lung, you became a hero. Pa was finally confident. He knew that he wasn't the strongest or the fastest, but he was smart and brave. And that was the only important thing. Pa continued to his practice every day. He never forgot the lessons he learned from Master Shifu. His dream was to be the dragon warrior. This is the end of today's story, kids. So kids, now we will move to today's lesson. You have heard some new words from the story so far. Shall we learn them quickly? First new word is clumsy. It means doing things in a way that is not careful. Example, Pa was so clumsy that he tripped over his own feet. Next is peaceful. Peaceful means calm and without any trouble. The valley was peaceful and quiet. Third word is valley. Valley means a low area between hills or mountains. Example, Pa lived in a small valley surrounded by mountains. Fourth one is practice. It means doing something many times to be better. Example, Pa practiced Kungfu every night. Number 5 is defend. It means to protect from harm or danger. Example, the Furious 5 trained to defend the Jade Palace. Next, defeat. It means to win against someone in a fight or competition. Example, Pa defeated Tai Lung at the end. Number 7 is furious. Furious means very angry. Example, Tai Lung was furious when Pa blocked his attack. 8.1 is magical. It means having powers that are not real and can only happen in stories or imagination. Example, the dragon scroll was believed to have magic. Next, confident, which means trust in yourself and your abilities. Example, Pa became confident after his victory. Last new word, kids. Hero. Hero is a person who is looked up to for being brave or doing great things. Example, Pa became a hero in his village. So kids, we will learn another new lesson today to improve your language skills. We will learn some adjectives from this story. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. It means an adjective tells us what something is like. As an example, big dog, the word big says the size of the dog. First adjective we found in the story is brave. It means without any fear. Example, Pa was a brave panda. Next is slow. It means not quick in movements. Example, everyone thought Pa was too slow to fight. Third is smart. Smart means ability to think quickly and solve problems. Example, Pa was a smart panda. He used some tricks in fighting. Number 4, talented. Talented means having a natural skill or ability. Example, the Furious 5 were talented fighters. Last one, kids. Proud. It means feeling happy about your own or someone else's success. Example, Master Shifu was proud of Po's fighting skills. Example, Master Shifu was proud of Po's fighting skills. So kids, this is the end of our lesson. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you in the next video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.